Oh my God. And it just pours on there like that. All right, here we go. Hello, how are you guys doing today? I missed you guys so much. I'm back home, so happy to be filming. I'm only gonna be home today and then I'm gonna be going again tomorrow, you guys. I got a couple of things that I want to talk about in today's video. No makeup today, you guys. We're doing fresh bare face. You guys, I don't even be knowing what day it is anymore. It's just, I just been on go, go, go. We got rotisserie chickens today. We got some delicious cucumbers here. They are so good. This is what I'm drinking. And these are not my favorite. They don't really have that much flavor, but they are only 10 calories per bottle. Very low in sugar. I don't even think it has any sugar. It has 1 gram of sugar in it. And yeah, you guys, it contains 2% juice. So if I'm not drinking water, I want to drink something that is low in sugar. And you know, I'm really working on my health, you guys, and I want to talk about that with you guys today. My mom brought me over these sauces. She said these are really good. So I want to try these sauces with the chicken today. That's why I got the cucumbers, because I already know that this stuff is really hot, especially this one. I did try this one with the lobster tail and it wasn't that bad. So I'm going to try it today and see if it makes the chicken taste any better. But yeah, my mom, I want to put those to use because my mom did bring me those. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing really good. You guys, I have been working out my body. Oh my gosh, you guys, man, when I tell you it felt like a bus ran me over. My body is so sore. It feels like, oh gosh, it is just so sore. It hurts to get up, it hurts to sit down. I'm so sore, but you know, it's good. You need to, you know, you need to work out. I'm just gonna put a little bit of adobo on here, not too much, just to give me some more seasoning. Not too much though. Yes, let's dig in, you guys. I think I'm gonna try the black one first. Hot chicken flavor sauce. And this is chicken flavor. Chicken flavor, we're eating chicken, so really good. All right. Are you guys doing amazing? I hope you are. I really hope you are doing amazing. Ooh, y'all. This stuff. Yeah, be careful. Okay. That is hot. The black one is hot. So I know that red one is gonna be. Y'all, I think my heat tolerance went down. Okay. I do not like my food too hot. Like, I don't want to be sweating while I'm eating. But the sauce is there. But you guys, I gotta get this body together. And honey, listen, with all this traveling and stuff that I'm doing, I gotta be able to keep up. I gotta be able to keep up. Mm. And there's like a tour in the works right now. And I need to make sure that when I'm on stage singing and we traveling and going places and doing things, now nobody want to see nobody all out of breath. So I've been working out. I've been very conscious on what I've been eating. I just want to be healthier, you guys. I really do. I really just want to be healthier. This chicken is so fresh. So fresh and delicious. But yeah, I've been drinking. Whew. Yeah. I don't know about this one. For the past few days, I have been drinking smoothies, you guys. Very healthy smoothies. And I really recommend it. With sea moss in it. J Blast. Have you guys ever heard of sea moss before? When Dr. Sebi was alive, and I used to follow Dr. Sebi very heavily before he died. Some of y'all know I used to be a vegan, so I'm really like big on like holistic eating and herbs and stuff like that. So Dr. Sebi used to talk about sea moss and how good it is for your body. And J Blast sent me some raw sea moss because I felt like I was getting sick. And Scott, you know, he was sick like the last week. So J Blast sent us some sea moss. And you guys, I was feeling a little bit sick the other day. And when I came home yesterday, I was feeling a little bit sick. And literally, you guys, I drank the sea moss smoothie last night. It had been sitting in the refrigerator for a while. And literally overnight, literally overnight, I feel like it cured me. Raw sea moss is powerful. And I'm just so excited. Shout out to J Blast. Thank you so much for sending me that. Very, very good for you. It has 98 minerals and vitamins that the body needs. And the body needs 103, and that thing has 98. That is amazing. Excuse me. So I'm definitely going to be making sea moss smoothies every day. That's going to be a part of my diet every day. I don't care what nobody says. Dr. Sebi knew what he was talking about. That man knew his stuff. If you don't know who Dr. Sebi is, Dr. Sebi was a holistic doctor who cured, he said he cured AIDS, he said he cured cancer, and he had reports to show that he did do it. But of course, some people didn't believe him. Herpes, STDs, all types of stuff that people have that that there's no cure for. He has cured it. This chicken is so good. Dr. Sebi was from Honduras, and celebrities would go to him. Lisa Left Eye, Michael Jackson went to him. You guys, this man was legit. But there was like a lot of controversy, of course. Y'all, I was so hungry. Boston Market has the best rotisserie chicken I ever tasted. It's fresh. And it's seasoned so well. How is you guys this weekend going? I'm having a restful day today. Don't call me. Don't text me. Don't do nothing. You ever just have those moments where you just don't want to be bothered? I have moments like that. Y'all, I'm scared of this one. Huh? Oh, Ryan. My cat is crying out the door. I told y'all. People don't want to believe me. I'm telling you. That cat loves chicken. Loves it. Let him in here. Let him come in. Mookie, come here, Ryan.
He didn't even want to come in.
You scared him, that's why. Come here, Bucky.
Don't give him any chicken.
Come here. You want a piece of chicken? Huh? Here.
Now you know they're gonna freak out about that when they see this.
Here, Bucky.
Alright, come on. That's it. Is he even taking it?
Let him stay in here. He's fine.
Alright.
Mookie, Mama's giving you chicken. Here. Both cats are in here now. Hey, Claire, you know you don't eat chicken. You know you don't eat that chicken, girl. But yes, you guys, this, oh God. I'm struggling with this one. How am I going to eat this one? I can't do it. Y'all, I'm a chicken. Call me a chicken. Call me a punk. Call me whatever. I just like to enjoy my food. If it has me like sweating and sniffing and I don't want it. If it's gonna make me do all that, I'm good. Oh my goodness, on to the next one. Y'all want me to try it? Oh my gosh, it's gonna be hot. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Alright, I'll try it. Let me see.
Let me get him out.
He's at the door now. Eclair's in here too. I didn't know she was in here. She must have been hiding.
Let's go. Out. Let's go. Come on.
Don't be mean to him.
I'm not being mean. I'm just telling him to get out.
Don't scare my babies like that.
I'm about to leave.
Alright, I love you. Love you.
See you, baby.
Bye.
Sorry to interrupt.
It's okay. Alright, you guys, here we go. Oh my God, it's gonna be hot. I'm not excited about this at all. Oh my God. And it just pours on there like that. All right, here we go. Oh my God, do I need to shake it up? Ugh. Oh my God. Maybe I was supposed to shake it up first. I'm gonna try it one more time. It's hot, see? I like to be able to enjoy my food. Because I couldn't really taste no flavor. I just taste heat, straight heat. Let me see. Oh no. Oh hell no. Whew. No ma'am. No ma'am. Oh my God. If somebody can eat this, yo. Whoever can eat this mess, that's death in a bottle. No, I'll stick to the black bottle. I like to be able to enjoy my food. I will stick to the black bottle. Whew, no, thank you. Ooh. It's so uncomfortable. Oh God, no. Oh God. Oh, it tastes like straight fire. My lips are on fire. I'm throwing that red one away. God bless anybody who can eat that mess. Woo! Oh my God, I'm so glad I didn't put it on the whole thing. Oh, excuse me. It's like anything you put in your mouth that has heat to it. Mm-mm. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Woo! No, ma'am. Oh, God. And I remember Steph and Tasha challenged me a while back to do this. It was like putting it on chicken wings or something like that. I was scared to do it then. At that time, I didn't even know where I could get this from. But listen, my tolerance ain't there. And I'm glad it ain't there. No. I don't know how people can eat hot stuff like that. Jeez. I don't mind a little bit of spice. But like having lava sauce. This is lava sauce. This is lava sauce. Oh my God. Nose running. Whew, I can't even finish that. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Definitely get your hands on some sea moss, you guys. Sea moss is absolutely positively amazing. I'm definitely gonna have that in my regimen every morning. I also bought some B12. I also bought a multivitamin because I shared on my Instagram that I was really low on energy. And my energy is through the roof now, minus having sore limbs and a sore body from working out, you guys. But other than that, I'm really good. I'm in good health. I'm in good spirits. I am doing really good all the way around. And I'm just so excited to see moss, man. 98 minerals. Or did he say 92? 92 of all the essential minerals, vitamins, and things that our body needs to have fuel and to thrive. Sea moss has every last one of them. 92 of them. Which is so exciting. So I just feel like I'm doing something really good for my body. And I definitely just want to change it up a little bit. I want to watch what I eat. I don't want to eat a lot of breads anymore. I don't want to eat a lot of starch anymore. I don't want to eat a lot of fried foods anymore, you guys. I'm just not interested. I'm not interested, especially with me, you know, being very active. I need to be able to keep up with all the festivities and things that I have going on in my life right now. My lips are still on fire. I'm gonna go, you guys. Listen, extremely spicy. Anybody who can eat this stuff on a regular basis or just eats it for fun, oh my God, you the goat. You the goat, because I can't touch it. I'm good. I need to be able to enjoy my food. I love you guys so much. I feel like I'm rambling right now. I'm gonna go and get some rest, you guys. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh God.